So, you think you know cloud? Well, buckle up, because Google Cloud is here to shake things up and not the way you might expect.
Forget the old school, my cloud is better than yours mentality. Google is playing a different game, and it could change how you think about building, deploying, and scaling your apps. If that doesn't pique your interest as an engineer, developer, or DevOps guru, check your pulse. Let's dive in, shall we? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the alert button. That way, when I release more videos and more tips like this, you will get notified. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses. Why GCP is suddenly the hottest ticket in town? Cloud platforms are like coffee shops. Every corner's got one. AWS, Azure, and then there is GCP, the quirky barista who is quietly perfecting the brew. But hold up, GCP is not just any cloud, it's Google's cloud. The same tech infrastructure running your searches, YouTube Bings, and Gmail. And now, they are handing you the keys to their ticket outright. At Google Cloud Next 2025, they unleashed over 229 new goodies, AI chips, and a global network that's basically Google's VIP internet lane. Cloud expert David Linthicum is already nodding, saying Google is ditching the local drama with a come one, come all vibe. Want to run their AI on your gear? Yep, they are that chill now.
So, still think GCP is just meh? Time to wake up and smell the innovation.
The GCP Toolbox, your tech BBF with swagger. GCP is your tech sidekick loaded with gadget and zero attitude. Need a workhorse? A multi-tool? They've got you. And they are cool if you bring your own toys or borrow from the neighbors. Here is the rundown. Compute, the muscle crew. Under Compute Engine, you have your core virtual machines. Reliable, scalable, standard cloud compute. Google Kubernetes Engine. Google Kubernetes Engine is Google's crown jewel, a top-tier managed Kubernetes service taking the pain out of orchestration. It's essential for containerized workflows. Cloud Run provides serverless containers to deploy your container and forget the infrastructure. Pay only when it runs. It's brilliant for APIs and web apps. Cloud Functions are event-driven serverless functions, or FAS. They are perfect for small triggered tasks. And Ironwood TPUs are new from Cloud Next 2022. These AI beasts pack 5 times the punch. So, if you are a machine learning nerd, rejoice. And as part of storage and databases, we find cloud storage. It's scalable object storage for everything from website assets to big data. We have persistent disk, which is block storage for your GCE virtual machines. We find also Cloud SQL, Managed MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server for less admin and more coding. And Cloud Spanner provides a globally consistent, horizontally scalable relational database. It's a unique powerhouse for specific needs. Firestore and Bigtables are your NoSQL options. Firestore for flexible document data, great for web or mobile, and Bigtable for massive scale operational analytical workloads. As part of networking, we have Cloud One, fresh from Cloud Next 2025. It's Google's private network on steroids, fast, secure, and worldwide. We find also VPCs, load balancing, CDN, and DNS, the crew keeping your apps purring like a kitten. Big data and EIML, which are Google's secret sauce, are not so secret anymore. This remains a major differentiator. Vertex AI is the unified ML platform to build, train, and deploy models. It integrates AutoML and powerful pre-trained APIs for vision, language, etc. BigQuery is the serverless data warehouse phenomenon. It offers fast, scalable, and cost-effective analytics. Dataflow is there for stream and batch data processing pipelines using Apache Beam.
Oh, and they're teaming up with Nvidia.
Google recently announced on-premises deployment options for its Gemini AI models, collaborating with Nvidia. This means you can run Google's cutting-edge AI on Nvidia's hardware on your own data center, if that makes sense for your sensitive workloads or existing investments. This is a big deal. A major cloud provider actively enabling its core AI tech to run outside its own cloud walls. DevOps Heaven with a dash of freedom.
DevOps fans, listen up. GCP got your back without tying your hands. Here's the lineup.
As part of Infrastructure as Code, EAC, strong Terraform support alongside Google's Cloud Deployment Manager for define, version, and deploy. Cloud Build offers managed CI/CD pipelines integrated with source control like GitHub and Bitbucket, and artifact storage or artifact registry. And Cloud Deploy helps manage releases to Google Kubernetes Engine and Cloud Run. And as part of monitoring and observability, the Google Cloud Operations Suite provides integrated logging, monitoring, tracing, and debugging for visibility across your stack. As part of GCP security, we find granular control with EAM, centralized visibility with Security Command Center, and secure application access with EIP. The Nvidia collaboration for on-prem Gemini also leverages Nvidia confidential computing, extending security options for hybrid AI workloads. With GCP, you have also Agent Development Kit or ADK. It's an open source AI Lego to build multi-agent systems. With agent-to-agent or A2A protocol, you can get AI agents chatting cross-platform. Google understands that real success comes from empowering teams, not just selling tools. Their support for hybrid deployments aligns with the DORA principles of meeting teams where they are and enabling flexible architectures.
Why bother with another cloud?
Trust me, you will want to. Learning a new cloud sounds like a root canal, right? But GCP is not just another shore, it's a vibe. Here is the pitch. When we look at the innovation velocity, we find over 7 million developers on Gemini and Vertex AI spiking 40 times. It's buzzing. GCP offers also scalability and performance. Google's global infrastructure is planet scale. It has also cost effectiveness with competitive pricing, generous free tier, and cost management tools. GCP has also open source commitment. These strong roots in open source reduce lock-in fees. Flex goals are the new differentiator. Google's move with Gemini on Nvidia hardware isn't just a feature, it's a strategic signal. It's about collaboration, not control. This builds trust and positions Google as more of a partner than just a vendor pushing a wallet card. The hybrid reality. Flexibility isn't free. While this hybrid flexibility is powerful, there are downsides. Embracing hybrid AI like Gemini on-prem or other complex cross-platform integrations adds complexity. You have management overhead. You will need expertise to manage and integrate these disparate environments. Cost implications. Investing in powerful on-prem hardware like Nvidia plus cloud services can increase overall spend. Security concerns. We also have security concerns. Ensuring consistent security across on-prem and cloud requires careful planning and execution, especially for sensitive data. And there are integration issues, compatibility issues, and longer deployment times are real risks. It's a trade-off. Google's move gives you the options, but you need to weigh the costs and benefits for your specific situation.
What's hot right now?
Gemini 205 Pro and Flash are now generally available on Vertex AI, Gemini API, and Google AI Studio, delivering state-of-the-art reasoning and coding for scaling enterprise tasks. There is also an improvement of AI memories and privacy controls. Gemini now defaults to remembering personal conversation context via personal context turn off in setting, while temporary chats offer a 72-hour incognito mode with auto-delete. As part of media generation, new models like VO3 and VO3 Fast are live, enabling high quality and fast video generation from text prompts. As part of enterprise and multi-cloud strategy, Google now powers Gemini models through Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or ECE alongside Google Cloud, exemplifying its flexible multi-cloud AI availability. Tools like BigQuery remain central, plus Vertex AI continues evolving with enhancements like the memory bank for agents and multimedia model support. As part of platform engineering offer, Vertex AI is advancing with features like Agent Engine Memory Bank, Model Garden updates, and media model previews, all enhancing developer self-service. GCP focuses on customer empowerment, overlooking with flexible deployment via OCE, intuitive ML tooling, and open model APIs. Google's strategy increasingly emphasizes choice and integration. So, ready to dip your toes in?
Feeling intrigued by the tech and the strategy? Good.
You can start with Google Cloud free tier and trial. New users will get a 90-day trial with $300 in credits, plus always free usage for over 20 products like Compute Engine, BigQuery, etc., all within generous monthly limits. You have also Google Cloud Skill Boosts. The official platform continues to offer labs, courses, and role-based learning to help you master Google Cloud and AI. Google Cloud documentation, quick starts, and tutorials remain your best friends. Choose a service and jump right in. GCP also offers Student AI Pro access. In many regions like USA, India, Korea, and Brazil, college students aged over 18 now get Google AI Pro, including Gemini 205 Pro, Notebook LM, VO3, Joules, guided learning, and 2 TB cloud storage for free or discounted prices. And we have ADK Hackathon with $50K in prizes. So it's up to you to show off your AI game. The real deal, a cloud that vibes with you. Mastering cloud technology is essential, but understanding the strategy behind the tech is becoming just as crucial. Google Cloud offers powerful services, particularly in data, AI, and Kubernetes. But perhaps more importantly, recent moves signal a potential shift in the cloud wars, one favoring customer choice and interoperability over rigid ecosystem lock-in. So explore GCP not just for its service list, but also for its evolving, more pragmatic approach to the cloud landscape. What's stopping you? Jump in, build something epic, and own the cloud like a pro.
Now, go build something great.